How to clear app users data on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can clear users data on your iPhone. It's a simple process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the settings app. And once you have opened the settings app, from the main settings menu, scroll down to the apps and simply tap on it. Next, tap on the App Store. And once you are inside the App Store section, simply scroll down and tap on Personalized Recommendation. Now, tap on Clear Users Data and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm the action and the users data will be cleared. And that's it. If needed, you can repeat this process anytime to clear your users data again. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.